Worship leader si Edith San Pedro. Milyon-milyon ang pinangungunahan niya sa pag-awit sa Panginoon. Ngunit para kay Edith, higit pa sa pagpapaawit ang nais niyang gawin.
I was already at the point of saying to the Lord, God, is this all I have to do in serving you? At that point in time, I was already praying, Lord, I want to experience something deeper. I want to experience to flow into your healing ministry. That what you said in your word, people worshiping and people getting healed.
Ang hindi alam ni Edith, siya mismo ang mangangailangan ng pagpapagaling ng Diyos. Wari tumigil ang pag-ikot ng mundo ni Edith nang malaman niyang siya ay nasa stage 2B ng breast cancer.
I was numb, as if it's just a dream.
Ang mga sumunod na buwan ay paghihirap na hindi mailarawan.
I was bald. Itong kilay ko, 3 na lang natira dito. Dito yata 5 lang. And the normal white blood count, the minimum is 4,500. Mine would drop to 400 and 300. I had to go to the hospital at least 3 to 5 times a week. To a point that my vein here, where blood is extracted, ang hirap tusukan ng IV needle. Sa nipes, tsaka pumuputok, nagre-rupture na yung mga veins ko. And I would be imagining this needle again, getting into me. And I was crying. And as if God whispered to me and comforted me and said, Edith, it's just a needle. I bore the 6-inch nail.
Kasabay rin ng madalas niyang pagtigil sa ospital ay ang paglaki ng kanyang mga gastusin.
My protocol would cost 80 to 100,000 per cycle. That included yet all the other lab works I have to do.
Dumagsa ang tulong mula sa mga kaibigan para sa pagpapagamot ni Edith.
As if I felt like I was Elijah at the brook. That God commanded the raven to bring some food for him to eat. Psalm 46 verse 10 became very real to me when God said, Edith, just be still. And you will know that I am God. Just be still.
Mahigpit na tangan ang salita ng Diyos sa isang kamay at ang suporta ng mga nagmamahal sa kanya sa kabilang kamay. Patuloy na lumaban si Edith.
Every time you go to the lab work and you're returning to the hospital to get the results, you get this goosebumps like, so what's going to be the result? And say, oh, you need not be afraid. Then it's just a confirmation of the things that I'm doing in your life.
Walang humpay na pagdarasal, lubusang pagtitiwala sa Diyos. At matapos ang 6 na chemotherapy cycle, lumabas sa pagsusuri na ligtas na siya sa cancer.
For Edith's case, in the past 2 years, we did some surveillance and all of the time was negative. So that just proved na up to this point, Edith is disease-free. No?
It's just a confirmation of the healing of the Lord because all along I knew I was healed.
Ngayon ay nakabalik na si Edith sa dating pangangatawan at sigla. Aktibo na siyang muli sa paglilingkod sa Panginoon. Patunay na ang kapangyarihang bumuhay kay Kristo ay mismong kapangyarihan na naranasan ni Edith.
I was telling myself, Lord, what if you didn't heal me? Will I still be praising you? I was saying, Lord, even if I didn't receive healing, I will still be like this to you. I will still be faithful to you. Because the good that I was looking into is not just the healing. The good that I was looking into is the goodness of God transcending in many ways and being manifested in my life.